नंबर फॉर्मेट्स। हमें सबको पता है कि हम एक्सेल को जनरली नंबर से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टोर करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं। तो अगर हम नंबर को स्टोर करना चाह रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली वी हैव टू फॉर्मेट द नंबर ऑल्सो. So changing number formats is available in Excel. See how to do that. We have these numbers here. Select the numbers. Go to number. You can see here number tab. Click on this or simply right click on this and go to format cell and select number here. We have 12 number styles given here. Number formats are general, number, currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, text, special and custom. Custom means as you want. So these are the 12 styles we can see here in the list. Now suppose I want to change the currency. I am writing in the money order. Then how to do that? Currency. Simply it is providing you the dollar sign. You can select any of the number, any of the currency sign here or any of the number, or we can simply put the dollar for the first number. Okay. So it has converted it to a dollar. Now in the second list, suppose I want to give the rupees sign. How to do that? Again go to this, go to format option, or you have these three common features of number formats in the home tab also. So select on this. You have here the recently used numbers, or you can go to right click and format cell, go to numbers, currency, because you have to select rupees sign here. Go to accounting also, you can go for that. Accounting means you how many decimal places or like that you want, or symbol. Again it will provide you with the sign also, currency sign. This time I am taking English rupees for India. I am taking India rupees. Okay. Now rupee sign of the currency has been added to this amount. Now suppose you want to add comma. Again select, and comma is given in the home tab also, or again you can do the same thing in the format cell. Select comma here. It will provide comma and decimal places to this. The next thing is, suppose you want to increase or decrease the decimal sign. Suppose you are taking only the round off of the number. So how to do that? I don't want these decimal sign here. There are two options in the number group. It is increase decimal and it is decrease decimal. So select this decrease decimal. It will remove the decimal places. In this also you want to do the same. You can decrease decimal. So all your amounts are in the whole number. Next thing is how to give the format cell to the date. Select date. Same the format cell option. Nothing new in this, but we see how the date formats are done. Go to format cell. In this we have the date option also. In date we have number of styles to be given for the date. Select any one of this. Suppose I want to add the day also, then select this. It will add day also. So this way it can be done. You can format numbers. You can format anything. Whatever you have written in number can be given format number formats in 12 ways. And number, currency, date, time, all are the different ways you can format. And we can increase or decrease the decimals also. So this is the way you can work with numbers in Excel.